Air bearings use a thin film of pressurized air to provide zero friction between bearing and bearing ways. The surfaces do not touch to provide precision positioning. Due to the air gaps, it's possible for dust particles, metal shavings, and other debris to get caught in this space. To avoid damage to the machine, it is important to keep debris off the bearing ways. When cleaning these areas of the machine, you must use a lint-free cloth and methyl hydrate.